and we will select a winner. And I think the winner should get a DX Commander Classic. There we are. So you can enter this and win. A very good day, everybody. My name's Callum from DX Commander. Now then, I have got a challenge for you. What I want you to do, and there'll be a winner in this, okay? So you might win something, and I'll tell you what you'll win at the end of this. I'm after at least 10 people to try this out. I want you to build me an emergency, build yourself, an emergency 20-metre vertical. Can be elevated or ground mounted, doesn't really matter. But you're not allowed to use any amateur radio gear apart from the coax, not even the plug, okay? So how do I anticipate this working, by the way? It's ideally got to be out of scrap, okay? So how this is going to work for me is I'm going to find something about 5 metres long, and I think you'll find you really need about probably 4.95 metres. Convert that in Google, all right? Long, and then your coax will come along here. Obviously, I'm making the coax a little bit huge than normal. Come on, and the coax is going to go up here, and then let's put some braid on here. The braid needs to go to some radials, and let's put a max. So they need to physically connect here. Let's say not more than 2 wavelengths. So that would be 40 metres. So you could do 20 radials at 2 metres long, about 6 foot, right? 20 of them. Right. So you could have an old roll of telephone wire knocking around, something that I want you to make it out of scrap, okay? So the key bits to me is, or the things that I'll be looking for, is that each bunch of radials, right, shouldn't be more than 4 radials each, and ideally needs some sort of fast connector. It could be an old audio socket, something like that. Crocodile clips, anything you've got knocking around in your man box, just not ham radio, just not after, fork connectors and, now you could use a fork connector because you can get that on a car, can't you? So that's what I'm after. Now, to enter the contest, what you'll do is you'll send me some pictures. All right, so on pictures of your install. Not more than a couple of 100 words of what you did, how you did it. So we need some words, and your conclusion. There we are. Did it work? How well did it work? What was your SWR like? And that sort of thing. So now, what I was thinking in the car is that the critical bit is somewhere in here. You need to connect your antenna to the coax. You've got to be able to take it apart. You've got to be able to put it in a box as your emergency 20-metre antenna, you see. So, a 1/4-inch jack, a fork connector and a couple of bolts, anything to connect that to that. Obviously, you're going to have to waterproof the thing as well, and you might have some flying leads coming out. If you've got the coax, you might have some flying leads, and you've got 4 connectors, 4 radials on each. You want something in your man drawing, that'll clip together. Heavens, you could use main stuff, anything that's scrap, old kettle leads, things, that sort of thing. If you want to make it out of a brand new roll of wire, so be it. I'm going to try and cobble my whole thing together from scrap. I've just remembered, I think I've got some old telephone wire, Ethernet cable, old speaker wire, that sort of thing. You've got to get that up a tree, haven't you? All right, so you'll need some paracord or string, something like that. And if that's 5 metres long, then you'll need at least probably 10 metres, about 30 feet of string, cord, paracord or something, a tennis ball, throw it over. Right, where do you send your entry to? So it's just QRZ at my call sign, m0mcx.co.uk. Mike and I will live stream and go through each of the entries, and we will select a winner. And I think the winner should get a DX Commander Classic. there we are. So you can enter this and win. So I will make my own as well, and I'll make mine out of scrap, and I'll enter the competition. I can't win. I'm just there as a kind of a bit of a baseline for you. All right, I think that would be great fun. It'll teach you all sorts of things if you've never done this before. You're going to find all sorts of weird and wonderful problems like, oh, every time I try and lift this up, the whole base lifts up. Or maybe I could have an old block of wood to hold it all in place. I don't care. That's going to be your problem. And you're going to have to write this up for me to say what the problems you had, how you fixed it, a couple of nice pictures. Try not to move the phone when you take your picture, all right? I'm going to have the picture that way, ideally not that way. Then we can see it better on YouTube, all right? So have fun. I will see you in a couple of weeks' time after you've built it. Send in your entry, all right? And then Mike and I, M0, MSN and I will live stream this and we'll pick a winner, all right? Good fun, isn't it? Lovely. Next video is coming up here. Have a jolly good day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.